Hello students, welcome to YouTube channel Vidya for Success. Dear students, in this video let us study how to perform the binary subtraction. Okay, in binary subtraction there are two different methods. So in today's video we will be studying about binary subtraction. So as I told you, in binary subtraction there are two different ways of performing binary subtraction. The first one is referred as one's complement subtraction. One's complement subtraction. Similarly, the another second method is two's complement subtraction. The second method is two's complement subtraction. So let us first understand the first method of subtraction, that is one's complement, an easy way. Okay, please notice here. So let us consider a problem. Let us subtract 4 from 9. So subtract 4 to the base 10 from 9 to the base 10 using one's complement. So we are subtracting using one's complement. If you go with binary subtraction, if you consider binary subtraction, so what are you subtracting? You are subtracting 4 from 9. So we are subtracting 4 from 9. Please do understand, this is very important. Or else if you consider like this 4, it gives you different meaning. It is nothing but you are subtracting 9 from 4. Okay, so the question says that we need to subtract 4 from 9. So here 9 is minuend, M-I-N-U-E-N-D, minuend, and 4 is subtrahend, S-U-B-T-R-A, subtrahend, subtrahend. Okay, so now here 9 is minuend and 4 is subtrahend. What is the answer? If you subtract 4 from 9, what will be the answer? The answer is 5. This is what? This is decimal subtraction. It is not binary, decimal subtraction. So we should get the same answer even when you perform in binary way, binary subtraction as well. Okay, so let us perform this. So first of all, let us find what is the equivalent of 9 in terms of binary. So 2 4s are 8, 1 is the remainder, 2 2s are 4, 0 is the remainder, 2 1s are 2, 0 is the remainder. So what is the binary equivalent of 9? 1 0 0 1 is the binary equivalent of 9. Similarly, we need to find the binary equivalent of 4. So 2 2s are 4, 0 remainder, 2 1s are 2, 0 remainder. So binary equivalent of 4 is 1 0 0. Okay. So first of all, write down what is the minuend here. Minuend is 9 and its equivalent value is 1 0 0 1 is the equivalent binary value. Next, what is the subtrahend value? The subtrahend value is 4, but its binary equivalent is 1 0 0. Okay, please notice here. Here in the subtrahend, one bit is missing. So let us fill that bit. So we can fill with what? A bit can be either 0 or it can be 1. So if I fill this space with 0, is it going to change the magnitude value of that number? No, there is no change. But if I add, if I consider 1 instead of 0, then there will be a change in the magnitude. So that's why I will be considering 0. So you need to notice this. In case if there is a bit missing while performing subtraction, that is one's complement or two's complement manner, you need to replace it with 0. You need to consider that particular empty space with the value 0. Okay. Next. So how we are performing the subtraction? Using one's complement. Using one's complement. So first, let us find one's complement of the subtrahend. So one's complement of subtrahend. What is that? What is one's complement? Converting 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Very simple. So let us convert that. So 1 0 1 1. That's all. What later? What after this? What we need to do? Now we need to add minuend to 1's complement of the subtrahend. Okay, so I'll be writing it here. Add minuend and 1's complement of subtrahend. Okay, so what is the minuend value? The minuend value is 1 0 0 1. 1 0 0 1. What is the subtrahend value? That is 1's complement subtrahend value. That is 1 0 1. Okay, this is 1's complement of the subtrahend value. So now let us add them. 1 plus 1 according to binary addition 0. Now we will be carrying 1 to the next higher column. 1 plus 1 again 0. Carry 1 to the next higher column here 1. So again 1 plus 0 is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0. You need to carry to the next higher level, but there is no next higher column existing here. So let us consider 1 here. Okay, so we will be considering 1 here, but this 1 cannot be used here. This is not the final answer. This extra 1 what we got, this need to be considered to the next level. Again we need to add it. Okay, this extra bit what we got is not a final answer. You need to, whatever you get extra, that extra need to be carried to the next level. Okay, so now we will be adding once again. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Again 0, again 1, again 0. So this is the final answer. Let us check it out whether we are correct or not. So please notice here, I am converting this complete binary into decimal. So how to convert it? Very simple. 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 2. Yes, now I need to raise the power. 0, 1, 2, 3. Anything to the power 0 is 0. Sorry, 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So 2 to the power 2 is here 4. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Again here 2 to the power 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. So what is the answer here? The answer is 5. Correct? The answer is 5. So what was our answer in decimal? If you subtract 4 from 9, what was the answer? The answer was 5. So here also we end up with 5 in binary. Correct? So this is the way, this is what subtraction using 1's complement meant by. Very simple. Okay, so once again I will be repeating it. Please notice here. First of all, in case if they have given you the decimal value, we need to convert it into binary. After converting them into binary, we need to decide first of all which is the minuend value and which is the subtrahend value. After deciding that, we need to consider 1's complement of the subtrahend first. Second stage, we need to add minuend plus the complement what we got for the subtrahend. Adding, if you won't get any extra bit, no problem. That's the final answer. In case if we get an extra bit, that need to be carried to the next level, and once again we need to perform binary addition. Okay, it's a very simple thing. So this is the final answer. Since we will be carrying this extra bit, after addition if we get any extra bit, that will be carried to the next level. So that's why the 1's complement method is also referred as end carry around method. It is also referred as end carry around method. End carry around method. It is also referred by another name, end carry around method. Okay, so this is how you are going to solve, you are going to subtract using 1's complement. Okay, next we'll consider another problem. Okay, let us subtract 111,001 to the base 2 from 10,11,000 to the base 2. Okay, 10,11,000 to the base 2. Using again here also we will be using 1's complement. Okay, we'll be using 1's complement. Okay. So first, what we need to decide? Do we have to convert it into binary? No, already we are having value in terms of binary. No need for conversion. So what we need to decide? We need to decide which particular sequence of bit is a minuend, which sequence of bit is subtrahend. That we need to decide. So we are subtracting this sequence of values, bits, from this sequence of bit. Correct? So that's why this will be minuend. So minuend is 1 0 0 0 0 0. What is subtrahend? Subtrahend is 1 0 1. Please notice here, while writing you need to be very careful. So here there are totally 7 bits, but here there are 6 bits. So you start writing from here. So 1 1 0 0 1. Nothing but here one bit is missing, isn't it? There is one vacant space. Let us fill that vacant space with what? With 0. If you use 0, there will be no change in the magnitude. Okay. Now, what is the procedure? The procedure demands us to first of all find 1's complement. So 1's complement of subtrahend. What is the 1's complement of subtrahend? Convert 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. Very easy. So 1 0 0 1 0. This is the 1's complement of the subtrahend. Next, add minuend and 1's complement of subtrahend. Okay. So what is the minuend value here? 1 0 1 1 0 0. Minuend value. What is 1's complement of subtrahend value? 1 0 0 1 0. Now let us add them using binary addition. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 with carry of 1 to the next level. So 1 plus 1 is 0, again you will be carrying here, 1 plus 1 is 0 and you will be carrying 1 again here, 1 plus 1 is again 0, again 1 carried here, so here 1 plus 0 is 1. Next, 1 plus 1 is again 0 and 1 is carried to the next higher level, but there is no next column existing here. So that's why 1, but this is an extra bit. This extra bit need to be carried forward to the next level and you need to perform once again binary addition. So 0 plus 1 is 1, again 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer in terms of binary. So this is how we are going to perform 1's complement subtraction. If you have been given a particular number, then you will be asked to find 1's complement subtraction. This is the steps. Okay, with this I am going to end the video. Thank you.